Is it time to buy or sell F5 Network stock? In this video, we're diving deep into F5 Networks. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 2nd of July, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 18, 2024, our system has ranked F5 Networks as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.45. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 1.65%. This translates to an average return of 0.16% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $176.06 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative 10.83% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between negative 22.13% and negative 8.89%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 17.75% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 14.49% and 38.85%. This translates to a price range of $197.27 to $239.25 after a year. Our latest daily update for F5 Networks includes the headline, F5 Networks stock price up 0.660% on Tuesday. The F5 Networks stock price gained 0.660% on the last trading day, Tuesday, 2nd of July, 2024, rising from $171.18 to $172.31. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.27% from a day low at $170.75 to a day high of $172.91. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.76% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by negative 35,000 shares, and in total, 325,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $56,001,000. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $199.49, and the lowest price was $142.16. Currently, the price is 13.62% or $27.18 below the 52-week high and 30.80% or $76.69 below the all-time high on December 29, 2021, when the price reached $249. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, May 29, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave FFIV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 30, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave FIV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, April 11, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital gave FIV a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs gave FFIV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 29, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave FFIV a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given F5 Networks stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and price-to-book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for F5 Networks. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The F5 Network stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $170.63 and $169.75. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 30th, 2024, and so far it has risen 4.23%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. The stock had a golden star signal on Wednesday, June 26, 2024, in the short-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal pivots, buy signal 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 54 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for F5 Networks. F5 Networks finds support from accumulated volume at $169.60, and this level may hold a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved $2.16 between high and low, or 1.27%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.40%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for F5 Networks, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for Q2 2024 is expected on July 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.23. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for F5 Networks. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for F5 Networks is at $175.05. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, F5 Networks encounters its first support level at $169.60. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for F5 Networks from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On June 20th, 2024, Pelzer Francis J. conducted an insider sell of 500 shares of common stock. On June 5th, 2024, Rogers Scott Frazier conducted an insider sell of 3,315 shares of common stock. On June 3rd, 2024, Locodonu Francois conducted an insider sell of 1,450 shares of common stock. On May 30th, 2024, Dreyer Michael L. conducted an insider sell of 2,250 shares of common stock. On May 24th, 2024, Irwin Tammy A. conducted an insider sell of 5 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 6.729. Overall, insiders purchased 81,706 shares and sold 71,207 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $167.14, a decrease of 3%. This stock has low daily movements, resulting in low risk. A buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom discovered 58 days ago. Is F5 Networks stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, despite the stock being in a falling trend. We conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, July 3rd, we expect F5 Networks to open down negative $0.32 and start trading at $171.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.